Today we are going to create a poster using Adobe Spark about Earth Day. And we'll continue with Google. And it says replace the Adobe Spark logo. So, okay, got it. And what we're going to do is we need to make a poster for Earth Day. So you can check out the different suggestions that they have here and do the one that you would like. You can come in here and you can change words in here. So I'll click on that. Earth Day, April 22nd, 2018. So you'll need a title in there that says when Earth Day is. It might need to make this bigger. So I'll make that a little bit bigger. And then you need to give some facts about Earth Day. We're going to focus on ending plastic pollution, so that will be our main focus here. You're going to need some facts for this. So I'm going to come in here and put end plastic pollution. And then I might want to tell people how to end plastic pollution. And hit done. Let's see what else, another way. And we'll hit done. And I might want to do one more here, because the more we help people understand how they can do that, the better it will be. Okay, now this picture right here really doesn't fit with Earth Day. Let me go undo. We'll hit replace the image. So we'll go find free photos. And we'll say, we could say Earth Day or plastic or and you can do different filters on there, but we don't need a filter on Earth. That would be fine. And then we'll say download. When we say download, it's going to open up a program on the Mac computer called Preview. And then we'll say File, and check with me first before you print. File, Print, and make sure it fills up the entire page and hit Print. And then you will have completed your Earth Day poster. So thank you, and I think this is going to be a fun project. Have a good day.